Guys, today we're going to wash the Golf R because it is really filthy, even though this is pretty dirty too. This is my winter warrior. It hasn't been washed for a couple weeks now, and it survived lots of salt, brine, and everything else they put down on these roads. It was white at one point, but now it's off-white yellow. Some essentials. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff in this trunk. I use it every day, but you gotta have some of the Adams essentials before going to the car wash. And all-purpose cleaner, tons of towels, rags. You need to have all that. Those are essentials. So we can start our journey to the car wash. I don't know if this light's good enough for you guys, but you can see it's pretty dirty. Just want to stress that. Keep stressing it. It's also pretty filthy in here too. It's just what happens with winter. I'm constantly dealing with salt in parking lots and snow every other day. It's just what happens. You can kind of see. Interior. I like the blue lights on this. I wish the BMW could change the lights on it. You can only do orange and like white, and it's not that bright at all. But if you look back, we don't have any lighting back here in the doors. Just up front. It's the night, just chilling. So, let's go to the car wash. Sun is bright. Let's go. The joy of having a lowered car. Speed bumps. It's not quite as bad as being in the M, but I can go normally over these, whereas if they're any higher, I'd be going diagonal. But no scrapes, as you can hear. Just annoying. We do most of the time here in PA, sit in traffic. We got some police action. That is what we do best, just sit and rot. It's kind of cool, this car's got an auto hold feature, as you can kind of see here. So my foot's not on the brake, the car will stay. And when I'm ready to go, just give it gas. Kind of makes daily commuting nice. Nicer, I should say. I'm sitting in traffic, backed up. I think I'm gonna take the M4 to get a car wash, probably tomorrow, being Friday. It's gonna be like 55 degrees, so that's like summertime here in the winter. So I'm gonna go for it. There's no snow in the forecast, so maybe I'll do a little vlog on driving action in the M4. You guys ready for this legendary car wash? Everyone always freaks out and asks me when I get there, where is this wash? It's so crazy. I need something like this by me. It's nothing crazy. It's just it's completely touchless. So for car people and people who are anal about their paint, they know that touchless is the only way to go when going to a car wash, and that's what this one is. So I really like it. It's like $8. And yeah, you don't have to get out of your car unless you're crazy like me and you want to get cold and freeze to death when it's It's only 32 degrees out, to get pictures and videos like an idiot. It's so funny when people always say like, what are you, what are you doing, out of your car, at the gas stations or the pumps, and it's just funny seeing their faces and reactions sometimes when you're just taking a picture of the pumps, or getting the car wash done and you're outside your car when everyone else just stays inside, just getting the shots and the videos of it. It's so funny. Only us social media people can relate what we'll do to get the shot. So I'm just gonna leave this running. Shell gas station too, very rare around here. I love going to Shell, but there's not a lot around here. So as you'll see, hear a little blow off valve action. Is the car wash. Turn signal. It works in this car, it doesn't work in the BMW. So here we are. So as you can see, I'm in the one car wash bay. I'm going to do a little self-wash first. I don't think the drive-through wash is strong enough to get off this scum that I've acquired on the car. I'm gonna start with the first essential though, which is the Adams wheel cleaner. I always hit the wheels first with this before I go through and get the car washed. Just kind of helps break up the salt and the brine and everything else they throw on the roads. The other car, like I said, the car wash is good. It's just I need to give it some extra help here with the wheels being so dirty and covered in salt. This car is really filthy. I don't know if this video can show it or not, but guys, it's like yellow. Like a film of just complete scum. Probably the dirtiest I've let in the car get. It's gonna enjoy a nice little bath. All up in there too. It's disgusting. Yellow like haze on the headlight. You probably can't see it. Still snow on the ground. I am crazy. You just kind of coat each wheel with a good amount of deep wheel cleaner. This stuff is amazing. If you guys don't have much from Adams Polishes, or you do, this is one of the ones you need to get. Show you the wheels. How mint that is now. Car's still dirty, but wheels come out pretty clean. We got to go ahead. That's it. Now we just chill. Completely touchless. But yeah, it's nice. You can leave the car and drive, and then when the auto hold is applied, you can take your foot off the brake. It's a nice little feature. Yeah, so this thing basically just goes around your car and completely cleans it. So yeah, you don't have to worry about touching your car. There's no brushes, no nothing. and everyone always freaks out. I go to this car wash thinking it's some kind of magical thing, but it's like a robotic cleaner that uses like sensors and other things, and it's an $8 wash, so can't beat it. I'm not going to record the whole car wash. I think you guys have been through a car wash before, but this is one that's close to me. It's nice, it's touchless, and I know car guys or people who care about their paint are always looking out for these touchless car washes. But I guess I can show you some things on here. So this is a AM Juice's song. Every time I hear it, I think of Dave. Yo Gotti with the juice. But it's nice too, and I wish my BMW model had it. I know the newer ones do have a touchscreen. It's really nice. The sound system in this is really nice too. It's got a good subwoofer. And then if there was, say, alerts, you could seek them here and you can track them. Where in the BMW, good luck getting to the favorite artist or song that comes on. It's very hard and painstaking. What else do we have here? See the car. Range left. All averages are all messed up. I don't really use the nav on here. I just use Waze. Then you got your different modes here. So if you hit this, you'll see individual, which I have it set to for suspension and throttle, comfort, normal, race, and then individual, which I leave it at. So, and each setting really does change the car. With race, the suspension kind of tightens up, throttle response is better, and the sound actuator in here makes it sound better. Pump that artificial noise in. But yeah, I like the informant system in this. It's nice. Like I said, touchscreen makes it easy. Again, you can see which setting you're in, individual, temp outside, cell phone connection. It does have CarPlay, but I'm not a fan of CarPlay. If you were to use it, you have to use this USB in here, and then it links up here. But when CarPlay's open, it mimics your phone screen, and if you do something on your phone or get out of something, it exits out of there, and you can't use Waze through the main menu yet. So I don't really like using CarPlay. I just do Bluetooth audio, and of course you can switch through some of your settings in here as well. Lap timer, driving data, so you can see oil temp, consumption, average consumption, range, fuel quantity, travel time, oil temp, assistance programs, like I think the blind spot monitoring and everything. Navigation, if you had navigation going, it would show you your path here. Audio, just another way to control the radio controls or Bluetooth controls, telephone, and yeah, that's kind of the system. Now we're on the final part. The blower, can't really see because the whole windshield fogged up. But almost done here. So, what are some of your guys' favorite features about a car wash? Do you care about the paint, or car guys? I know you